Okay, we have both Jordan and Madison with litters of babies. They were born just a day apart on March 21st and March 22nd of 2012, of course. Hey, dodos. And we're going to take a closer look at all the babies and which ones are girls, which ones are boys. We have a couple with deposits on, and we also have one that my son is keeping. So we will start with this little baby. This is a girl. Let's see her little cutie face. Right now they're only, thank you, next girl. Right now they're only, what, 2.5 weeks old. This is a little girl. And this baby's available. The one you just seen is available still. The next little girl, my son and his fiance are keeping. This is a little girl they're keeping. So she's not available. Then we have 2 boys. Jordan have 5 babies all together. She's such a good mom. This is little boy. Let's see his color in the back. All Jordans are pretty much brown, a little white in the front, but mostly brown. We have one more boy. Oops, trying to take the bob off from mommy. And here he is. And let's see his backside. Thank you. And so that's Jordan and her litter. Now we're going to give me about 20 seconds to get up the stairs. And we're going to take a look at Maddie's puppies up close. Again, Maddie's puppies were born just a day after Jordan's. So they're all about 2.5 weeks. Could you put the gate behind me, sweetie? No, Bella. Put the gate behind me so nobody comes up. And I'll go through this gate. We're almost up here. And here we have Madison and her 6 baby English bulldogs. What are you guys doing? And we start with girls here. This little girl we do have a deposit on from the Lisa and her family. And then this is little girl. There you go, thank you. And here we have another girl. And this is from Maddie's litter. Okay. And now we'll go to the boys. And remember, we have a deposit on. This is a girl or boy? Let's see. What? Boy. This is a little boy who's available. Again, they're really young. They'll really, by 3 or 4 weeks, they'll really be bigger. This is a boy who is available. Where's the one dot? Oh, this is the little guy we have a deposit on, going to the Morgan family. Yes, you are. And did we get everybody? Oh. Go, where are you, mommy? Kind of dark in here, isn't it? And there you go. We'll keep updating with more pictures and more videos, but this video we just wanted to show everybody at 2.5 weeks.